crack right there. Oh my God, this day is never gonna end. All right, everybody, welcome back to the Handyman YouTube channel. It's the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. I just wrapped up another video on kind of a day in the life of the Handyman, making, it'll probably be around about 1,200 bucks for one day. And I got the video all wrapped up and I came just to tidy things up, and I found out we got a freeze break over here. I made a post on my Instagram showing this freeze break in action. I'll give you a close-up of it. Have all the water off and drained out. I don't want to power it back up just to show you it's spraying water. You got to trust me, or go to my Instagram. Link will be in the description for the Instagram. You can see it there. That's also where you get a lot of behind the scenes action. There it is, right there. Clear as day. Crack right there. Sprays water out, and we're gonna fix it. Lickety split. He's got a bush going right up my... So this repair requires no special skills and just a few basic tools and some common sense. That's the key word there, common sense. So this has to come out. You just can't unscrew it, or else you'll screw into one side and screw out of the other side and it'll get all cattywampus. Now if you look down here, this is a coupler. I'm gonna heat this up, slide it down, then rotate this out, and then I can easily unscrew everything. So without further ado, there we go. I usually like to use MAP gas, but I'm out of MAP gas, so we're going with old propane. You've been asking for 2 years now for this t-shirt. I finally did it. Finally did it. I've been testing it out, wearing it, washing it, wearing it, washing it, working in it, and I can tell you that it's awesome. It's awesome. Limited time only. We're only gonna have this version of the caulk gun t-shirt for a very limited time. It's on sale right now for full price. The link will be down in the description. Go check it out. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. New videos every week. You know, as I'm just doing this, I think I've had to do this once before, and I believe it was that valve. Maybe 2 years ago? I keep telling these people, you gotta winterize these things in time or else it's gonna break. But it just doesn't sink in, because I've got multiple customers that I do this for every year. I'm just gonna rotate this bad boy out like this. Turn this like this. I gotta take quite a bit of this apart. Some of it's really hot. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna let this cool down, and then I'll have to back this one off. I can back this part off. We're rolling. Audio. Yeah, we even got audio. There's one part. So you got my Knipex and my channel locks. I don't like these at all. They make different styles, but take a close look. Avoid these at all costs. They always get in between whatchamacallits here. Let's see, here we are trying to go. Am I going the right way? They always get in between, and it is a giant pain in the butt getting them sized right. See? Jesus, I just throw these things away. Everybody says the Germans, oh, I gotta get the German pliers. Come on. Oh yeah, Suzanne Summers, eat your heart out. The old Fire Master. That sucker was on there. Where's that crack at? There's another shot of the crack in the sun. I'm gonna swap another one of these on here and put her all back together. Let's clean this baby up. Woo, hot. It's time to put this thing back together. And I've already sanded this down with emery cloth. I'm going to sand the inside with some emery cloth. You want to get the coupler without the stop. So you slide it up past the seam so you can put it right there and then just tap it down and you'll be good to go. But before we do that, I got to put all this back together, Humpty Dumpty here. Can I go one more? Doubt it, but it's in my nature to try. Here we go. Okay, now I go over like this. There we go. Come on, get in there, hole. Okay, we got water up to the shutoff. Obviously, nothing's spraying, so that means from here down we're good. Something's flowing heavy duty over here. Solder joint's good. That joint's good. Where are we? Where's that leak coming from? Do we have another crack? We got another freaking crack. How did that one break? Alright, so I got another crack. And it's a replaceable part. I'm actually just going to cap it off. So these here are ways to drain your water out of here. And there is another little crack right there. Oh my God, this day is never gonna end. There's a close-up right there. So water's not supposed to be coming out the bottom of that. Like I said, I can get a replacement on one of these, no problem. And I'm gonna continue on with the sprinkler setup in case there is something else that's broken, so I don't have to make too many part runs. So this is okay to leak here for a few minutes while I power up the system and look for leaks everywhere else. I am anticipating more breaks. We had this valve broken. We had the vacuum breaker broken. And then we're good all the way to the valve box. Now I got to go over to the valve box and start poking around there. I hear water a little bit, but it could be just another valve that's open. So for any of you wondering what that other water noise was that I was hearing, it was this gate valve. Even though it was closed, it was still leaking water. You can see how that rubber washer right there is what seals this off. And my guess is that rubber washer is worn out, squished, cracked, something like that. So I'm gonna go get another rubber washer. These things are very expensive. Just this coupler here was $5.56. So a little rubber washer in there is going to be more affordable. Brass doesn't wear out, packing doesn't leak from the packing. So put this in and we should be good to go. That's going to be it for today's video. If there's anything else that comes up, I'll be posting it to Instagram, which will probably be 2 months ago on my Instagram. I'm 2 to 3 months behind on videos. I should probably get this one up now because it's early spring, and this is what people are going to find when they go to turn their sprinklers on in the springtime. So we'll see what happens. But go check out Instagram. Link will be in the description. Goodbye.